Right now it's all about Disney World. We are at Magic Kingdom and we're gonna go on the Jungle Cruise. I don't know if nobody watched that movie there, but that is what we're gonna go on. I've never been on this one before, and yeah, let's see how we're gonna go. All right. Yeah, man, we're back up, man. This is what we're going on now. We're up next. Two. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Alrighty, guys, so we are now to a boat to pull up. Let's go. Ooh. That is it.
How many here? How many?
The right party of two came to the left and have them there between the bars. Party
Thank you.
Five. Can I have you guys fill in the remaining space near my party of two? Stand right there on
Yep.
the wall. You're gonna have, yep, right there, my party to the left.
Ah, Jesus. Ooh.
I'm thinking about it.
All right, guys, we are on the boat. This nice.
With that, we are clear.
This nice.
Everybody raise your hand.
Hello.
You are never going to see them ever again.
Uh-oh.
Never gonna hold my hustle. No calories for me, thank you. Yeah. I feel like they don't have calories.
Disney World.
Are they food?
Richard.
If someone breaks their fast, yeah. It's not the jungle.
Jesus Christ. Woo, Jesus Christ.
black and white horses, some really scary chickens. And it does look like that family of lions is settling down for their favorite snack, zebra on the rocks.
Man, cheese.
Finally found Skipper Felix and his crew, and now it is actually Skipper Felix's first day. Probably his last day. Yeah, I told him not to get into an argument with the rhino, but it changed his perspective.
Wow.
Maybe he'll get the point in the end, but what do I know? those wrinkles. Now, elephants are very playful creatures. Sometimes they will try to spray the boat, but I'll do my best to avoid them.
Yeah, this is Disney World.
I thought I saw that. You know, a lot of people think that's water coming out of their trunk. It's
Thank
not.
you for the likes, guys. Thank you for liking the video.
That is a jungle cruise without some jungle gifts. We are now coming up on Trader Sam's Boston.
Yes, Michael.
Yep, gift shop. If you're wondering where we get our merchandise, it's from stroller parking. Yeah, that's crazy when people leave unattended. But don't worry, the return to civilization.
That's funny. All right, guys, the jungle cruise is done. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging out with us. Pick up on yourself. Make sure if you turn on the post notification bell. So we have a few more rides to go on. So as soon as we go on them, we go live. All right, pick up on yourself.